There was a long period of life where I didn't own a microwave, and it changed the way that I reheat things forever. Now I have a microwave and I definitely use it from time to time, but I am currently reheating my Mexican leftovers from last night just on the stove. And listen, if you are not in an urgent rush, if it's not popcorn, if you're not defrosting something, and if you have 4 minutes of your time to reheat something on the stove, it is 100 times better, and it's so much better for you. Sometimes I feel like we all forget how to live without the instant whatevers of the 21st century, but this is a reminder that you can indeed live without a microwave, and cooking things on your stove will make you like leftovers again if you think you don't, and you will get less, microwaves in your literal body. So you're welcome.